Hello everybody, welcome to At Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Properties of Matter. The question is, for a given material, the rigidity modulus is 1/3 of Young's modulus. Its Poisson's ratio is how much? What is the question? A 0, B 0.25, C 0.3 and D 0.5. How to solve this problem? We know the relation between the elastic constants. What are all the elastic constants? Young's modulus, rigidity modulus, bulk modulus, of course, and also Poisson's ratio. So we have some equations relating these elastic constants, of which one is eta is equal to y divided by 2 into 1 plus mu. What is eta? Rigidity modulus. What is y? Young's modulus. So it has been given that rigidity modulus eta is equal to 1/3 of Young's modulus. It means what? Y by 3. 1 by 3 into y. That is y by 3. And mu is the Poisson's ratio, which you are going to find the answer. Okay? So that is eta is equal to, that is y by 3 is equal to y by 2 into 1 plus mu. This is the equation, is it not? So you have y on LHS, y on RHS, they will get cancelled. So you put 3 to the other side. You just invert this equation now. So if you invert the LHS and RHS, you will have 3 here and you will have 2 into 1 plus mu here. You bring this 2 to the other side. 1 plus mu is equal to 3 by 2. That is mu is equal to 3 by 2. When this one goes to other side, minus 1. It becomes minus. So 3 by 2 mu is equal to, that is Poisson's ratio is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 0.5. Is it not? It is 1 by 2, it is equal to 0.5. Okay. So Poisson's ratio is 0.5. It is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. We will see one more question from this chapter Poisson's ratio in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.